Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos to YouTube from Google Drive. So let's go ahead and open our web browser and navigate to both Google Drive and YouTube. So right now, there is no direct way of uploading from Drive to YouTube. So first, we're going to have to download our video. So I'm going to go navigate to the video that I want to upload. Going to click on download. Then I'm going to give it a minute or two to save locally on my computer. Now that that's done, I'm going to go to YouTube. Then I'm going to click on create here at the top right beside your account icon. Then I'm going to click on upload video. So now that that's open, I'm going to click on select files, go to downloads, and find the file that I just downloaded. Another way you can upload is by simply dragging and dropping the file. So once it's been uploaded, you can change the title and description of your video. Then I'm going to click on next. Oops. You have to set an audience for the video and decide whether it's made for kids. Now I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to click on next because I don't particularly need to do these steps, but you can also add an end screen and add other cards, and they're sort of like pop-ups at the end and in the middle of your videos. Click on next, and so far so good, no issues found. So there's no copyright content detected. Then I'm going to select the visibility. For now, I'm going to make it unlisted, meaning that it won't show up when people search in the YouTube website, but anybody with a video link can watch and access the video. Alternatively, you can also set it to public where anybody can find your video and watch it, or private where only selected people will be able to view it. So I'm going to save it as unlisted for now, and then I'm going to click on save. When you upload longer videos, keep in mind that it's also going to take a longer time for YouTube to process everything and have it ready to watch on their website in full quality. So video published. This is because it's a short clip, but longer videos, like I said, will go through a processing phase first. And it also displays the video link in case you want to share it. So now that that's done, it should show up here in my uploaded videos in the YouTube studio. So that's how you can upload videos from your Google Drive to your YouTube channel. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.